Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the EpiLynx Liquid Highlighter. So the liquid highlighter actually comes in 5 different shades, and the reason I really enjoy this product is because unlike a lot of other highlighters, this highlighter is actually moisturizing while it's on your skin. And you can use this liquid highlighter in your cheekbone right above here, your nose, and even up top of your lip. So EpiLynx is known for being gluten-free, 100% organic, but it's also really good for anybody with autoimmune skin conditions. So if you have any of those things that I listed above, this is perfect for you because it's not going to irritate your skin, it's not going to make you break out, and it's just not going to leave you with any redness. Want to learn more about any of the EpiLynx products and the fact that they are gluten-free, animal cruelty-free, and vegan? Check us out on epilynxcosmetics.com, and thanks for watching and look out for our other videos. It brings us back to I love that movie.